Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to start breakout rooms for your Google Meet conference. Please note that there are eligibility requirements to use breakout rooms. Breakout rooms are available to these Google Workspace editions: Regular Essentials, which is not the Essential Starter, Business Standard, Business Plus, Enterprise Starter, Enterprise Essentials, Enterprise Standard, Enterprise Plus, Education Plus, Teaching and Learning Upgrade for Education, Workspace Business, and Nonprofits, and as well as Workspace Individual Subscriber. I have linked the forum below for eligibility requirements as well if you would like to take a look. Now let's get started on creating our breakout rooms. To create breakout rooms, go on your computer and type the following URL. The URL is meet.google.com. Once you have reached the Meet homepage, select Start a New Meeting, then select Start Instant Meeting. Once you are inside the Google Meet, please proceed to inviting your attendees. You can also test this out on your own by copying the link to your newly created meeting and then going to an incognito or guest tab, then pasting the Meet code without signing in, which will allow you to log into the Google Meet by typing in your name on several different tabs, which will simulate breakout rooms. Now let's create our breakout rooms. To create breakout rooms, select the Activities panel by selecting the Activities button on the lower right of the Google Meet UI. Once you are inside the Activities panel, select Breakout Rooms. Then select Set Up Breakout Rooms. Since there are no people in here, you will have to invite your attendees or simulate attendees by copying and pasting the link into an incognito or guest tab. I will do this real quick and simulate that people are joining the Google Meet meeting. Now let's accept the attendees' requests or the simulation you have just set up. Click on the View button and then select Admit All. Once you are in here, now select the Activities button on the lower right-hand corner of the Meet UI. Then select Create Breakout Rooms. Then you can shuffle them to make them go in randomized order, or you can drag them in a specific order that you would like. You can also set a timer. The default is 30 minutes. Now you can click Open Rooms. Users will be prompted with a message to join breakout rooms. Now, when you close rooms, they will also receive a 30 seconds little prompt that the breakout rooms will end in 30 seconds. So I will also be simulating this. So I'm going to shuffle all the users, then open all the breakout rooms. I'm going to join a breakout room, and I'm also going to put my simulation attendees in this breakout room so you can see what it looks like. I'll be joining breakout room 1. And once you join breakout room 1, you'll see that all the attendees will join the meeting as well. So I will put my simulation users inside all the breakout rooms as well. Now that all of the users are here, I'm going to simulate what it looks like when you close all rooms. As you see at the top, you will be prompted with a 30-second timer that will move you to the main room. Or you can make it so that all users go back to the main room immediately. And that's it. That's your Google Meet breakout room session. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the YouTube comments below, and I will do my best to reply to your comment to help you out.